Just gotta eat a little bit.
Our goat is in labor and she is eating. You can tell there's something starting to come out. She's already got one baby on the ground. She's been in labor for this second one for a little while, a few minutes.
She's still hungry.
But she's still eating. And this is Halle Berry, by the way. This is the one we've been getting up to check several of them, but she's the main one. Oh, now we're going to stand up. Usually they have them standing up, and they just kind of spit them out. She keeps standing up and looking back to where she was just at, like she thinks it's came out, but it hasn't. She couldn't have had it a week ago whenever it was warmer. Oh, he goes back and forth. Come on, Hallie. Hurry up. Here it comes.
Oh.
That's the water. Come on, Hallie, it's a big one. Got it.
Gosh, they were big babies.
Okay, Mom, this is all yours. I need to clean it up real quick. Keep it on.
I'm sorry. Have I got it right? Travis, do I have this right?
Yeah, you got to point in the wrong. You got to point at your chest. Turn around. Point it at her. You look through there and you can see what you're pointing at. Time to clean it off. It's okay, Mama. We got you taken care of. Oh, it's a pretty baby. It's a really pretty little baby. Hang on, baby. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. There you go. You're all right. I know you're cold now, aren't you? There you go, Mama. Clean him up.
Want that fleece blanket?
Open one of the roll of paper towels. I got it. You can stop filming anytime you want. Or you can keep filming, I don't care.
I don't know where to turn it off.
Red button, right?